I'm Dr. Ma. I'm an adult neurologist, and I practice in Southeast Neurology. I started my adult neurology practice in 1997, and I've been practicing since. I grew up in China, and I did my medical school training in China. I came to the United States in 1987 and had a PhD in molecular virology in Columbia University in the city of New York. And I got my PhD in 1994. And I finished my neurology training at St. Louis University Neurology Department. As a neurologist, we do procedures such as Electroencephalogram, which is a short abbreviated, it's called EEG. I also do a procedure called nerve conduction and electromyogram, and that's to check patients' nerve function to see whether there's any nerve or muscle damage. As adult neurologists, we see our patient clientele usually an elderly patient, like neurodegenerative changes like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease. We see a lot of patients with a stroke, with acute stroke that came to the hospital, confusions, cognitive impairment. And for the younger population, we see patients with migraine headaches, patient with a seizure or epilepsy. We also see a lot of patients a condition called multiple sclerosis, which is a disease that affects our immune system, that our immune system is attacking the brain. So multiple sclerosis is also one of our patient populations. Well, I think neurology is really fascinating. Think about nerve system. They are actually the control of our entire body. So the neurological disease can present in all different fashions, and it could affect any part of our body, including from our head down to our toes. So it's intricately very correlated with our entire system. So we are very big in terms of neurological disorder and systemic disease. So I think with that's making it more fascinating. We also know that this century is the centuries of the brain or the neuroscience. So we're really in the frontiers, and I think that's making it more exciting. So I like the Cape Girardeau because I like the small town vibe, and I like the town right by the Mississippi River. So I like to go out and sit by the river, look at the sunset and look at the sunrise, look at the eagles kind of flying over the river, look at all the cargoes and the boats kind of traveling up and down the river. And I like to take pictures. I'm an amateur photographer, and I like to go out to take pictures of the bird, the nature, and everything. So I enjoy doing that. And I like this town because it has very good community with runners. Myself, I'm a runner, and I enjoy. That's a way to help me to release my stress. So I do a lot of running, and it's a very good community here with good trails.